Hi, our topic for this episode is display inline and inline block. Inline and inline block are used to inline an element, but these two have differences. Inline does not accept width and height, while inline block accept width and height. And for the margin, inline does not accept margin on top and bottom, while inline block accept margin on all sides. Let's create an example. So let's create inline class for the display inline and also for the inline block, and this will be inline block also. And let's apply the classes to our element. So now we don't see anything yet, so let's try to add border in our div. Now let's see the difference between inline and inline block by adding width and height. As you can see, inline doesn't have width and height. Inline can only have its height and width when it has content inside. Let's copy this content and paste inside this element, and let's try to add padding of 20 pixels. Since inline block has width and height plus the padding, so that is why inline block is bigger. So let's remove the width and height. Now they are now equal in size, so let's try to add the margin. And let's try to inspect element. So as you can see, inline doesn't have top margin and bottom margin. Let's create a simple example with inline. So let's clean up this first, and let's use p tag and the sample text. So our goal is to highlight some of the text here, so let's use small tag. Small tag is an inline tag in default, so that's why I'm using small here, and we'll just call small on our CSS, and no need to put display inline block here because small is already inline. So we'll just need to add background to yellow. Now we see that this paragraph here is already yellowed, and we can customize it, so we can add border gray, and let's add some padding. And also a border radius to make it look cooler. Now let's create a simple example for inline block. So for that, let's just create a simple nav bar. So let's call nav here in the unordered list and also the list. And let's create the design. Background will be black, then for the color, for the font size will be white, and let's remove the dot on our list by using list style type to none. Now let's display inline block or list. Okay, I got spelled wrong. So let's add some padding to 20 pixel and add some just like that. And during hover we can change the color. So let's add background to white and color will now be black. So let's try. Okay, that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next episode, which is display block. Bye.